Welcome to another unboxing video. Hi, my name is Wally, System Engineer from EPS Global. Today we're going to have a look into OSFP transceiver. It is a 800 gigabits per second DR8 Plus. So this product, it is very interesting and suitable for AI cluster. Why? This is a DR8 Plus. What that means? DR means data rates, 8 means 8 lanes, and plus it means that you can reach 2 kilometers in a single mode fiber. When you think about AI clusters with 800 gigabytes, this transceiver could fit you exactly what you need. Because, for example, in a real application, you can break out from 8 100G transceivers into this transceiver, which means 800 gigabits per second. So when you have GPU clusters and also AI LLM models, you can use this to build your infrastructure. This transceiver here is from a very consolidated manufacturer called Coherent. EPS has been working with them for almost 25 years now. And just remember, Coherent is a partner from NVIDIA to build clusters and GPU infrastructure at the moment. So we are buying from a trusted partner from NVIDIA. Regarding the temperature range, you have two options for this. You have a commercial temperature and also you have a limited temperature as well. So this here, it is a commercial temperature, so it runs from 0 to 70 degrees. And just remembering, this is the cage temperature, not the environmental temperature as well. Regarding the connectors, it has dual MPO-12 fiber connectors, which is good because it's a normal standard connector for your connections, and it has a fiber APC polishment, so it's a standard as well. Along with this electrical switch here, this product is a fully integrated, validated solution for your AI cluster. If you want to learn more about this product, please access www.epsglobal.ai. Thank you so much.